one grain of rice, one seed of rice produced all of this. Because what we did was that we broadcast rice in all our farms, because the labor that will be required to do transplanting is just impossible. And we haven't yet got the technology that would enable us to do large fields under mechanized process. Now, what is fascinating about this is, I counted this. There are 46 branches. Let me not use the technical term. They call it tillering. When it forms into branches, the experts call it tillering. I call them branches. If one single grain of rice could produce this, there are about 46 or is it 48 I counted, one stand alone. Why is this important? Because the Holy Grail is the attainment of 5 to 6 metric tons of rice per hectare. Now, the personal experiments I've been conducting shows me that unless you have this, because after the tillering, each one produces what they call panicles. This is it. Until one branch, again, let me talk in conventional language. If one branch could give us something as large as this, a cluster of one panicle has to be this large. That is the only point at which we produce 5, 6, or even 7 metric tons per hectare of land. And that is a very challenging achievement to attain, particularly in upland, because effectively what we have here is upland. But what is also very tragic is that the body of literature on rice production, particularly from Nigerian agriculturists, is so poor, is so incredibly technical and academic. I think it's something they do for projects in the universities, and at the end of it, it does not translate to the field. So we came here, we just selected a small portion of land here. And if you take a look at it, all of this, going as far as the eye can see, we're experimenting to see if we can attain that Holy Grail of 5, 6, 7 metric tons.